guys, so I'm back and today I'm going to be guessing my fidgets. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification so that way you get whatever. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's the morning and I just woke up like an hour ago. So I'm like exhausted right now. And my brain's all messed up. So you know what I'm talking about. Okay. But anyways, if you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Chloe. And this channel is called Kelly Burns. So yeah. Let's get started. Well, I already know what this is. I just picked it up because I don't know why. Okay. I think this is my heart puppet. This color is this the? I only have 2 heart puppets, or maybe 3. I'm not sure. I think this one is the cotton candy colored one. Yes, I know because like this one's like a lot bigger than my other one. Here, where's my other one at? Here it is. She looked like a lot bigger. Like see, bigger. So I don't know. Okay, so I'm just, whichever ones I get right, I'm just gonna throw back on my floor. So, alright, next one. I'm gonna get under this puppet. Is this my pink like shaggy needle? Yes, that one was easy because I know that it's pink and I could feel like the shags. And I don't really even know what to call these. Really young. So. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna throw that on the ground. Alright, bye. Ow! You did not want to leave. There we go. Alright, here we go. I know what this is. This is my jumbo puppet. Yep. Bigger than my face. Okay, got that one right instantly. What did I hit? Oh, okay. Oh, I just picked this up. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this my jumbo puppet? Yes. Here, oh my god, I close my eye. This is my smaller puppet game. This one's my bigger one. Okay, we're just gonna go over here. This is my blue regular monkey needle. This looks really dark on camera. This is like a baby blue. It looks very dark on camera though. Oh yeah, I did good. Alright, next fidget. Is this my rainbow horse? Yep. Among this puppet, and is this the blue one? I know because I know what the pops sound like because ow! Are you kidding me? Alright, next one. Got this. Is this my Charmander puppet? Yes. Okay, next one. Let's go all over here. Hey, this is my blue unicorn textured monkey needle. Oh, why does it have so much hair on it? Whoa, this looks really light on camera. That's strange, because this one's like a super dark color. Like, this one's really, really dark. The other one's really, really light, but that one made it look really, really dark. I don't know. Okay. Is this my rainbow squishy? My boyfriend got me this. So, alright, next one. Okay, square puppet with heart pops. Yes. Another square puppet. And is this the purple, white, and dark blue one? Yes. I know the pops, so. Wait. You kidding me? Okay, next one. Is this my dimple digit spinner? Yes! Alright, so far I haven't gotten anything wrong. Is this my other, wait, no. It's my unicorn? Yes! That definitely didn't land on my TV. Definitely didn't. Okay, next one. Okay. Rainbow Among Us. Wait, no. Yeah, actually, yeah. Running Among Us character. Yes, I literally know. Oh, I just realized they're two of the same puppet. How did I not know that? Let's see if they sound the same. Oh, they do near the exact same puppet. Oh, well, I'm gonna get rid of both of these. So, bye. Alright, go for the next one. So, my elephant. Yes. Alright, let's go over the next thing. I'm gonna go over here. Is this my other rainbow elephant? I got this one wrong. Okay, so what I'm gonna do if I get it wrong, I'm gonna throw it back in the pile and I'll pick it up later. Like, I'll grab it. So we're gonna go all the way over here. We're gonna bring one of these fidgets over here. And this is, is this my shell? Yeah, this is definitely, like, one little test. Hopefully I have that. One little test. Let's see, can I still do this? Yes, this is my green seashell squishy. Oh, you can't see the mermaids in it. Oh my god, what is she doing? There. Okay, next one. Is this my red and blue fidget snake? Oh, I said red and blue. Does that still count? I'm still gonna get it. But actually, I don't want to get hate, so no. Oh, what has a snail? Snail, pastel snail, pastel snail. This is a really good puppet. Okay, next one. Oh, I know this pup. This is my lobster. Red lobster. Next one. Oh, this is my emoji fidget spinner. Because this, I know it's my emoji because that's the only one I have. This thing is like really weird. So like, see it like it's super flat, but like on the other side, like someone please help me. I don't know what's happening to my fidget spinner. Like, I do that because hard stuff, I don't want that to hit my head. What is this? Is this my just plain purple first ever Pop-It? This is the first fidget and first Pop-It I ever had. Besides fidget spinners. I didn't even know what fidgets were. And I didn't even know fidget spinners were like fidgets. So, okay. I'll grab this one. Oh, is this my rainbow dinosaur? Yes. I love this one so much because, like, it has textured dinosaurs on it. I don't really know if you can see. Here, look, you can see that one right there. And, like, they feel, like, really good. Here, let's see if you can. And the easy side is really good, too. So I'm going to show you them. Yeah, you can see it better on the easy side. So yeah, got that one right. Is this my pink jumbo puppets? Yes, there it is. Oh, I forgot to say it was a circle, but I still got it right. I still said it was a pink. Oh, I did say it's a pink circle puppet. This is obviously my bigger Pop-It game. Easy peasy. I'm weird. Okay, next up we have. This is my like sort of rainbow, but not rainbow. Like has like pink and blue on it or something. Pop-It. I mean mermaid tail Pop-It. Yes. Alright. Oh, this is my map dimple. That was easy. Okay, next one. Let's bring some of these fidgets up here. So that way I can make sure there's not in my blanket because I'm doing this on my bed. So. Let me show you the last couple of fidgets that I have. Stitch, what is Stitch doing? This is the last fidgets that I have to do. Alright, so here we go. Oh, is this my pink and purple hearts? Okay, let's look at some colors. This is my mini Pop-It. I love this one. It's so good. Like, listen. This is the easy side, but listen to the, I mean, that's the hard side. Listen to the easy side. I just love it so much. Oh, what was that? I have no idea what that just took down with it, but hopefully it wasn't something important. Alright, let's go again. Rainbow elephant. Yep, ours. Okay. A fidget. You know, I was going to say fidget snake, right? I think that counts. So I'm going to say it counts. Alright. Oh, do I only have one left? Oh no, I have a couple left. Here you go. Who is calling me? Oh my gosh. Well, now I have to put this one back. What's it called? My pink glitter squishy. Okay, next one. What? You okay, Gareth? Okay. My Among Us green. It's that same person calling me again. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this one back. You know I didn't get it right. Last two fidgets. This white Pop-It bracelet. And my chicken squishy. And that's it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. What was that? Yeah. Okay, but anyways, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then make sure you like and follow. So yeah, bye.